Hello students, hope all of you are doing good. We are moving to the next part. Earlier in the video, we have just seen the evolution, the definition and the Big Bang theory. Now in this video, we are going to see the theories of evolution. What are the different theories? Because the theories are only left because we don't know exactly, we don't have any proof exactly how the life was originated, how the life come to the earth, right? So that's why we are left with a number of theories that are given by a number of scientists, but a number of theories they are been discarded. Number of theories they came through a number of criticism, and very few theories, even one theory was accepted, and there was experimental proof also for that. So that's why the last theory was accepted. So whenever it comes to the life, then we also have this curiosity that how does life actually was originated. Is it from the living thing, is it from the non-living thing, or it's from suppose some from outer spaces also? How actually this life was originated, right? So if that's why a number of scientists have given a number of theories for the proof of the origin of life. So for the origin of life, see here the main definition, main point here is origin of life. Okay, so for the origin of life, we are having a number of theories, right? So what are those theories? First of all, the theory of special creation. So this theory of special creation that was given by a scientist, that was Father Suarez. So according to him, the earth was around 4,000 years old. So see, according to this theory of special creation, the earth was around 4,000 years old. Okay, this is just the theory that was given by Father Suarez. So according to him, the earth was around 4,000 years old, and the earth was within that period of time, God created God created life in 6 days. Okay, in 6 days, the life was created by the God on the earth, and man was created on the sixth day. Okay, and in the sixth day, God created the human. So this was the first theory about the origin of life was given, and it was the who have given the theory, that is Father Suarez. Okay, so that theory of special creation that was given by a number of holy books also in every religion, because that's why I have given here. This is the religious aspects that according to Hindu mythology, it was created. The life was created by Brahma, and the first two human, they were sent to the earth. They were Manu and Shraddha. And the another way in Christian mythology also, the first human, they were sent to the earth from the heaven. They were Adam and Eve. Okay, so these are the two number of theories there here. So we have this theory of special creation, which do not have any experimental or scientific proof for that. So it is just the belief that earlier the theory that how the life was there, or how the life was originated in the earth. Number of society, number of people, number of even in the number of religious communities, they have given a number of theories. So this is the first theory, the theory of special creation. But anyway, the theory of special creation was discarded because it is not going to have any scientific proof for that. Now after that, we will see the theory, that is the theory of catastrophism. Now what is the catastrophism? Catastrophe, remember, catastrophe means sudden calamity. Okay, so catastrophe means calamity. Okay, so it is said, it is believed and it was given by the scientist Cuvier. According to him, what was happened that the art, the life that was present in the art, they undergo severe or extreme calamity, and due to that catastrophe, the life completely get erode from the art, and after some time life once again was formed, and this way at a period of time the life completely destroys from the art. It also takes some time, once again regenerate, form, flourish, and at one period of time it completely get destroys. Okay, so this is the theory. This theory is called as the theory of catastrophism. Now after that, the next theory, that theory is called as the theory of biogenesis. Biogenesis means the living thing is developed from the living thing. Okay, it is believed that the living thing it is not possible, it can come from the outer space or some catastrophe have to happen, but the living thing have the capacity to create, to produce the life. Okay, it was given separately by three scientists, Francisco Redi, Spallanzani and Louis Pasteur. So according to them, what actually Francisco Redi have proved, he had taken three completely separate bottles. In that he put some piece of meat, then after that it was covered, and after that it was seen that from that piece of meat some worms, they start to appear. Okay, so they start to appear from that piece of meat. So how it is possible that the meat is the source from where the life was created? But anyway, they discard actually the theory of special creation and catastrophism, but does not mean that the theory have to be correct, because there is no specific proof that yes, life have to be originated from the living thing. Next one, Spallanzani and Pasteur also. Pasteur performed one experiment that was known as the Swanneck bottle experiment. Okay, according to the Swanneck bottle experiment, what had happened, Swanneck bottle was taken, and after that he actually was also the scientist of sterilization. So he sterilized the bottle, then he covered the bottle for a few days. He was not able to see any life develop in that bottle. Then after that, after few days, whenever he was not able to see any life develop or grow in that bottle, then after that he broke the seal. Then after that he developed a swan neck, and after that he was able to see. Actually, inside the bottle there was the glucose syrup present. He first of all boiled it so that no life can be present inside the bottle. Then after that he was able to see that some flies enter from the swan neck, and after that they lay their eggs, and from the eggs the worms, they come out. Okay, so he actually proved that it is not the life is originated from the life itself, but he said that the life have to originate from the pre-existing life. So what he actually said, that life can originate from pre-existing life. Okay, so this is called as a theory of biogenesis. After that we have the next theory. That theory is called as the cosmozoic theory. So what is the cosmozoic theory? According to cosmozoic theory, life comes from the outer space. Okay, it is said by the scientist Richard Helmholtz that the life is actually created on the earth, because from the outer space some spores, they are sent to the earth, and in the earth from the spores life was originated. So what those spores actually are called, according to Helmholtz, the scientist, that is panspermia. Okay, this is the panspermia, from where the panspermia or the spores, they're sent from the heaven, and the earth where the spores flourish, they actually grow and develop into the organisms, different types of organisms. So that's why this theory, which is given by Helmont, Richard Helmont, this theory is also known as the theory of panspermia or panspermatic theory. So this theory is also called as the panspermatic theory. Okay, next one, the next theory that is given, that is the theory of spontaneous generation or theory of abiogenesis. So according to some another scientists, they said that the life can not be formed from the living thing, it is not coming from the outer space, it is not formed by catastrophe, or even it is not created by the God itself. According to this theory, the life has that life has originated from the non-living thing. So the life is created from the non-living thing. According to the number of people, we cannot call them as a scientist, they said that the bank of the Nile, from where the number of amphibians, the frogs, they were created. Then from the tail of the horse Gordius, the different worms were created. This way they have given a number of examples that from the bank of the Nile. So here from the bank of Nile, okay, from the bank of the Nile, the frogs, amphibians, they were created. Okay, so what is that? This is the theory of abiogenesis. But whatever the theories we have seen, they have not able to satisfy the scientific proof. That means none of the theories were based on any of the experiments. Yes, the theory of biogenesis was tried to give some of the experiments, but the experimental proof also, it was not completely been proved that yes, life has originated from the living things. It's not actually, because life can never be formed from the living things. From where did living thing come? That was the question, isn't that? So here we will see that all of the theories, they have been discarded due to the lack of any experimental proof. After that, the most accepted theory we will see in the next video, that is the theory of chemical origin of life or chemogenesis. Actually, these are the chemicals from where the life was originated. Under a number of series of changes occurs in the Earth's surface, and after that, from the chemicals, the different type of organisms created. That was the theory of chemogenesis. So yeah, that are all the theories. All five theories, they were discarded due to the lack of any experimental proof. So these are the five theories. These are the origin of life life on the earth. So all of the five theories, scientists name sometime can come. Pasteur experiment, that is known as Swanneck bottle experiment, according to him, the life is originated from the pre-existing life, which was also been discarded. But he actually for the first time gave the scientific approach. Okay, so here you have to know that Pasteur is the scientist who gave the scientific approach. Okay, and he also sterilized the bottle by burn it, because if any worms or any larva or any of the eggs, they are present in the bottle or in the lining of the bottle, they can die. Okay, so yes, all of these five theories are given, but no proved, completely scientifically proven data are available or any experiments are available. So that's why all of the five theories were discarded. So yes, these are all of the theories of origin of life. So that's all about the video. I hope you understand. Thank you.